The three little pigs escape the city, chasing peace, quiet, and solid forest Wi-Fi. First order of business, a quick eco-friendly straw house, great until every kind of drama sneaks in. Cue Snow White, gliding in with an apple and a smile sharp enough to cut glass. She's fresh from ghosting 7 heartbroken dwarves and hunting for fresh roommates. Meanwhile, the wolf, now vegan and in therapy, only wants to discuss emotional boundaries. Snow films everything for her new show, Forest Victim, because why fix life when you can stream it? Sister, this isn't a fairy tale, it's budget brand manipulation. And the apple too late, stories never lie, only the storytellers do.